Welcome to our installation video. This video will guide you through the 5 steps to properly install and activate your software. Uninstall. Before installing a new version of Office, check if you have an older version or an Office 365 preloaded trial version. Look in your Apps directory for any of the Office programs. Select Microsoft Office in the Uninstaller and click Uninstall. The old Office is now removed from your computer. Once Office is uninstalled, click on Close and restart your computer. Download. Open your favorite browser and enter keys.discount. Navigate to the Download Center in the navigation bar. In the Download Center, select Category and click on Office Products. Then select Office 2016 Standard. Then choose either a 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. If you do not know which version you need, keep the default 64-bit. Next, choose the language. Your download is now ready. Click Download to save the software to your computer. The download will begin once you click on Download. Extract. Now go to your Downloads folder to find the installation file, a compressed zip file. Right-click the file. A menu will pop up. Click on Extract All to unzip the file. We use the 7-zip program that can be downloaded and installed for free from the Internet. It comes with everything you need to extract files. Leave the path as it is. Click Extract. At the original location, a new unzipped file will be created that will allow you to install the Office on your machine. Installation. Open the extracted folder and look for the Setup application. Double-click on Setup to begin the installation process. Windows Defender may protect your computer from any software, even those manufactured by Microsoft. Click on Further Information in the pop-up window. Then click on Execute Anyway to confirm the installation. Office will begin to install. After a period of time, the installation is complete, and Office can be started. Click on Close. Activation. Now, start any of the Office programs from your App directory. If Office 365 was installed, the skin may show Office 365 when you start the program. Don't worry, this may disappear later following an update. You will be prompted with pop-ups to activate the product. Here you have the option to enter your license key to activate Office. Now enter your purchase license key and click on Activate Office. Congratulations! Your Office program is now activated. To complete the process, close down the application and restart it. Open a document, or create a new document. Once a document is open, go to the top left to File and select Account in the options on the left. Now you will see your Office is activated. If not, or if you want to activate later, open a document. Or create a new document. Once a document is open, go to the top left to File and select Account in the options on the left. Here you have the option to enter your license key to activate Office. Click on Change Product Key. Now enter your purchase license key and click on Activate Office. Windows Defender may protect your computer from any activation. To avoid this, click the yellow glowing icon at the bottom of the taskbar and allow activation. Congratulations! Your Office program is now activated. To complete the process, close down the application and restart it. Open a document. Or create a new document. Once a document is open, go to the top left to File and select Account in the options on the left. Now you will see your Office is activated. Thank you for watching our video and enjoy your new Office product. Visit us at keys.discount and buy used licenses with activation guaranteed with Swiss service, quality, and safety. Keys Discount. And it works.